everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about excavation safety. First of all, what is an excavation? Excavation is a man-made cut, cavity, trench or depression formed by earth removal. Excavation failures are particularly dangerous because they may occur quickly, limiting the ability of workers to escape, especially if the collapse is extensive. The main equipments used in excavation are grader, backhoe, bulldozer, wheel loader, rock breaker, and pneumatic hammer. Let us see hazards at excavation work. Water accumulation. Being trapped by the collapse of an excavation. Working in an excavation, being exposed to contaminants that take oxygen from the environment. Falling of equipment or person into an excavation. Moving machinery near the edge of excavation can cause a collapse, accidental severing of underground utility lines. Working in excavation, being struck by falling object. Now, what are the safety controls at excavation work? The first control is to get approvals like work permit clearance, risk assessments like job safety analysis or activity risk assessment, and a standby supervisor. Then engineering controls. This engineering controls includes sloping, shielding and shoring. Shield can be permanent or portable, also known as trench box or a trench shield. Shoring such as metal hydraulic, mechanical or timber shoring system that supports the sides of excavation. And sloping, cutting off the edge back in inclined manner that it will not slide in the trench or excavated area. Workplace controls. Excavations, adjacent areas and protective systems inspected by a competent person daily before start of the work. Do not allow any heavy equipment within 10 feet of an excavation. The trench could collapse due to the weight of the equipment. Spoils, materials and equipments set back at least 2 feet from the edge of the excavation. Walkways and bridges over the excavation 4 feet or more in depth are equipped with standard guardrails or tow boards. Make sure there is a safe way to enter and exit the trench, such as ladder, ramps or steps. Precautions take to protect employees from the accumulation of water. Atmosphere within the excavation tested where there is a reasonable possibility of oxygen deficiency, combustibles or other harmful contaminants. Check the drawing indicates any underground electrical or instrumental cables or any underground fire hydrant or process or utility pipelines going at or within 2 meters of the location. If the excavation site close to traffic movement, additional barricading being considered. And PPE, personal protective equipment, warning vests or other highly visible clothing provided and worn by all employees exposed to public vehicular traffic. Let me summarize this session. Check the excavation each day before starting work. Provide safe access to get in and out. Prevent collapse by shoring, shielding or sloping. Prevent people and material falling in with barriers. Avoid underground services. This is about excavation safety. Thanks for watching.